In the remote high country, a multi-billion-dollar industry roams free across the Emerald Hills. The red stag, prized for both lean venison and valuable antler velvet, is the king of this operation.
Rotational grazing ensures the herd always has access to nutrient-dense pasture for optimal growth.
Before hardening into bone, this velvet tissue is harvested for the lucrative global supplement market.
When harvest time arrives, helicopters and dogs work in unison to muster the herd efficiently.
The animals are guided from the open range into the handling yards, ready for transport. Modern handling yards use circular designs and high walls to minimize stress during the transition. Specialized multi-deck trailers allow the herd to be loaded quickly and safely.
Air suspension trucks provide a smooth ride, crucial for preventing bruising and maintaining meat quality.
From the high country, the precious cargo travels hundreds of miles to the specialized processing plant. Biosecurity is paramount. Every vehicle is sanitized before entering the sterile zone. A V-Restrainer conveyor supports the animal, keeping it calm and still for the final moment.
Humane electronic stunning ensures an instant, painless transition, adhering to strict welfare standards.
Once dispatched, the carcass is immediately hoisted onto the automated rail system.
Gravity aids the process as the line moves efficiently towards the processing floor.
Mechanical pullers remove the valuable hide in a single piece, destined for the luxury leather market.
Before opening, steam vacuums sterilize the surface, ensuring zero contamination enters the meat. Precision evisceration separates the red organ meat from the green waste stream instantly. Venison heart and liver are prized delicacies in Europe, handled with the same care as the steaks. A certified veterinarian inspects every single carcass to guarantee it is disease-free. The carcass is split into two sides, exposing the marbling and muscle structure.
Strict safety protocols require the complete removal of spinal tissue before chilling. A final hot water pasteurization guarantees the meat enters the chiller biologically sterile.
Electrical stimulation prevents cold shortening, ensuring the venison remains incredibly tender.
Rapid blast chilling brings the internal temperature down quickly to halt bacterial growth.
We target a specific pH level of 5.5, the sweet spot for shelf life and color stability.
Laser scanners assess the conformation and fat cover, grading each animal objectively. Controlled aging allows natural enzymes to break down fibers, enhancing the flavor profile.
Now chilled and set, the prime venison enters the master butchery floor. The carcass is broken down into primal cuts: the shoulder, the saddle, and the heavy hind leg.
The backstrap is the prize, the most tender and valuable cut on the entire animal.
Tunnel boning removes the femur while keeping the leg muscles intact for premium roasts.
The rib rack is Frenched by hand, exposing the clean bone for a restaurant-quality presentation.
Venison is famous for being lean. Electric trimmers remove every trace of external fat. Venison is famous for being lean. Electric trimmers remove every trace of external fat.
Dark, rich, and incredibly lean. This is the highest quality red meat on the market.
Thermoforming machines create custom-fitted pockets for each specific cut of meat.
Oxygen is the enemy.
Complete vacuum extraction extends shelf life to 12 weeks chilled. A quick dip in the shrink tunnel tightens the film, creating a presentation-ready finish. Rapid cooling sets the shape, locking the meat into a uniform block for easier stacking.
Every single pack is weighed individually, ensuring the customer pays only for exactly what they get. X-ray scanners peer through the meat, guaranteeing it is 100% boneless and safe.
The premium cuts are hand-packed into export-grade cartons, designed to withstand global shipping.
Plate freezers compress the cartons, freezing the meat into a perfect, flat, geometric block. Flash freezing takes only a few hours, locking in the nutrients and preventing ice crystals from damaging the texture. The result is a solid, durable block of protein, ready to travel to the other side of the world.
High-tension straps secure the lid, ensuring package integrity during rough sea voyages. Robotic arms build stable pallets, preparing tons of product for the logistics chain. Beyond meat, the frozen velvet antler is a super commodity, highly prized in traditional Asian medicine.
Slow thermal drying preserves the bioactive compounds before slicing. These wafer-thin slices will sell for hundreds of dollars per kilogram as premium health supplements.
Meanwhile, the hides are salted immediately to halt decomposition before tanning.
Deer skin produces one of the strongest, softest leathers in the world, destined for high-end fashion.
Finally, bones and offcuts are rendered into high-protein meal, achieving a true zero-waste cycle. Maintained at -18 degrees, the cold chain remains unbroken as the doors are sealed.
From the remote high country, the product is now ready to cross oceans to global markets.
Thousands of miles later, the journey concludes in the world's finest kitchens.
Prized by chefs for its tenderness and rich flavor, venison is the pinnacle of red meat. It is the result of years of careful breeding, pasture management, and precision processing.
And this is how we produce world-class venison from farm to plate.